They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing.
Hello hacker family, I hope you all are doing well. So before I start, I would like to thank our favorite teacher, hacker Icse. His videos played a pivotal role in my marks. I don't know where I would have been placed without him. So again, Mr. Hacker, thank you so much. People will ask me how I got such marks, and it's really not that hard. But before that, I'd like to note that in life, talent plays a very less significant role than we initially think it. It's mostly hard work. And so yes, what I did was basically I didn't study like 8 hours, 9 hours a day. No, I did not do that. I just studied whole year round, like starting from the year till the end. I studied daily, not much, 2 to 3 hours maximum. And then at the end of the year, when my rehearsals were over, I started studying like more like 6 hours, 7 hours. And you know, it really wasn't that tedious because I did it with a friend. If you study with your friend, it isn't that boring. So it makes it easier. So all you have to do is just work hard and you'll get whatever marks you wish for. Now everyone has the potential to excel, and everyone has the potential to excel. There's no this guy is a bad student, this guy is a good student. If you work hard, you will excel. You just have to remain determined. When you're feeling low, just tell yourself 1 more year, 6 more months, 3 more months, 1 more month. Like that's how I pass my time. You know, just tell yourself, just motivate yourself. Somehow just do it. Also, don't measure success by comparing it to others' marks. No, set a target to yourself for yourself. If you achieve that, be happy. You don't need to compare to others. Everyone has their own target, and everyone should be happy with their own targets. If someone gets lower than you, don't be happy that they got lower than you. If you fulfill your target, only then be happy. If someone gets higher than you, don't be sad that they got higher than you. Just be happy if you fulfill your target. That's all. So just stay focused, dedicated, and passionate about your education, and embrace the challenges as opportunities to improve, and you'll succeed. Thank you.
They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck.